Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cali. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every single time that I upload. I really wanted to just film a tutorial on how I got these knotless box braids because I am obsessed with them. I also got the hair from Amazon. It was only $23 for 8 packs of hair. Yes, girl, $23. I know we all in quarantine right now. We can't leave and go to the beauty supply store, so I got you, boo. And it comes in this bag. And it also includes some goodies, like with this crochet needle and some rubber bands, which obviously I didn't use because like it's knotless. And it also came with like this thank you card, and in the back have like a free gift, which I love. Like, who doesn't love free gifts? But yeah, this company was really awesome. I'll definitely leave a link to it down below. I only use 4 packs of hair, by the way. So yeah, and my head is big and I have a lot of hair, so I was surprised, like I was shook. But anyways, if you'd like to see how I achieved this bomb hair, keep on watching. Hey guys, so the first thing you want to do is take a medium size braid, just like I have, and then we're going to split it into 3 separate pieces. You don't want them to be too small or too thick. You want the pieces to be equal so that you have a nice equal braid. And I'm just putting it on my chair so it makes it easier for me to just grab the hair as I'm braiding. I'm just showing you guys how much hair I have done so far. As you can see, I only have 1 row left to go. For this hairstyle, you need Shine and Jam, grease, because you don't want no dry scalp. You also need a rattle comb and some metal clips to keep your hair separated from each other. I'm going to start by applying the grease and jam to this section of my hair. It really helps get rid of flyaways and just helps your braids to be a lot more sleek. So I highly recommend doing this step. The first thing you want to do is split your hair into 3 equal pieces and begin to braid down the section 2 times, only twice. After you've braided twice, you want to go ahead and start adding the hair between your index and your thumb. And always add the hair under your natural hair. I know it's hard to see, but I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can have like a better look. But as you can see, I'm adding the hair right between my index and my thumb. So one section of the hair is in the middle and the other section is on the right, as you guys can see. When braiding, you want to make sure that you're taking your time. You don't want to rush, otherwise your braids will not be neat. And be sure to continuously tuck your natural hair behind the braiding hair. You also want to make sure you check your braid to make sure it's as thick as all your other braids, because you don't want some braids to be skinny and then some braids to be thick. You want all your braids to look like sisters, not long lost cousins. Now I'm going in with my Shine and Jam and putting it on my natural hair in order to let my braiding hair and my natural hair blend seamlessly together. It also prevents your natural hair from sticking out of your braids. So this step is very, very crucial. This is what the braid is looking like. As you can see, no hair is sticking out and my braid is really neat. Now I'm on the last braid, so I'm gonna go in with my grease and my Shine and Jam once again on my part to make sure my hair is sleek. And then I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair in 3 pieces and begin to braid. As you guys can see, I'm adding the hair under my natural hair between my index and my pointy finger. It's kind of acting like an anchor, as you guys can see. You really want the hair to just loop right underneath there in the middle, and then you're gonna have like one hair in the right. And just take your time and braid. Make sure to feel it out. If your braid feels bad, be sure to start over, because I had to do that a few times myself. And just take your time. Be sure to tuck your natural hair behind the braiding hair and I meant to say add jam as you continue to braid down the section. And I'm also checking the thickness of my braids to make sure that it's the same thickness as all my other braids. I know it's very difficult to see exactly what I'm doing, so feel free to like rewind the clip or slow it down. I'm trying my best to explain the process, but these braids are a little hard to explain, so please bear with me, guys. Also, be sure to share hair into the pieces of the braid that is getting small, as you guys can see me doing in the clip. You also want to be sure to share hair again when you reach towards the end of the braid to prevent it from unraveling. This hairstyle took me a day and a half to do, even though my braids were not small. But yeah, the struggle was real. So if you're doing these braids, be sure to have a lot of patience, guys. So my braids are done, and I'm just gonna go in with some mousse and put that all over my scalp to get rid of any flyaways and just help soothe my scalp. It really helps with that. And I already dipped my hair in hot water, by the way. That's why I have that towel. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all the excess water. Yes, boo, braids looking on point, parts are slayed. Yes, we love to see it. But yeah, guys, this is the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. If you have any video suggestions, let me know. And also, if you recreate this look, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.